This is for the template for the color match challenge that the students are going to explore to create different hues. So we have now stuck the template in the book, and we can now mix hues of any one color, red, green, or blue, by following the directions and complete this template. So you can select any one of these three colors, red, green, or blue. I'm going to go ahead with color red. So the first step is to paint this big circle in the center with one color that you have selected. So this main circle, the big circle in the center, gets painted in the color directly from the bottle. Now for each of these 6 small circles, we are going to change the hue by adding a different color to it. So the first one, for example, we want to make a tint of the color that you have got in the center. So I will be making a tint of the color red. How can I do that? By adding white. What is written here? Add white. So I'm going to add a little bit of white to my red to get the tint and paint the tint into this circle. Since you will be creating 6 different hues, you can right from the beginning put out the color into 6 different sections of your palette. That way each time it is easier to just add the color to change the hue. So as you can see, I'm mixing a certain small amount. I'm putting the same amount of the color because it's only to paint this little circle. Make sure that the color that you are putting in the palette is not too watery. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections with this main color. Each section I will be mixing a different hue to paint each circle. So let's begin. So for the first one, to make the tint, I need to add a little white. Remember, the color that you add to mix the color needs to be a very small portion, a very small amount of it. So I'm going to take just one dab of the white and mix it into this first portion. If the color does not feel like it has changed sufficiently, you can take a little more of the color to mix. The change in the color is visible, but it still looks like a red. Now we will move on to the next one. Here I need to create a shade of this main color. So how can I create a shade? What color do I need to add into it? I need to add black. So I will write here add black, and then I will mix a very small quantity of black into my red, just enough to change it into a shade but not make it too dark. I will paint the shade in this circle, the second circle. Now we come to the third one. Here I have to make a tone of this color. So how do I make a tone? What do I add? I write the colors in this box. So I need to add grey. Which means I can either mix the two tint and black shades that have already made. If I have those left in my palette, I can mix those two itself, or in the third section I can add a little bit of white and a little bit of black. So we have completed one side of the hues. Now we are going to move to the other side. Now in the first circle here, I want to make the color warmer. So what do I need to add to make the color warmer? So I have to add yellow. So in the fourth section that I have in my palette, I am going to put a small amount of the yellow. In the fifth circle, I now need to make this red, make it cooler. So what color can I add to make it cooler? Add blue. So we are now going to mix a little bit of the blue. And now in the last color, last section, last circle, I want to make this main color desaturated. So there are 2 or 3 different ways in which you can desaturate the color. One is by changing the value, by mixing either white, black or grey. You can also desaturate the color by adding a complementary color. So in this case, if I want to desaturate my red, I can also mix a little bit of green into it, which is the complementary color. And the template is complete. We have created 6 different hues of the same color, and you can now compare it to see how the color looks in its different hues. Overall, once the template is complete, it should still look like they are different hues of the original color, and no hue should have changed so much that it looks like a new color completely.